Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Today on our tech tutorial, we're going to show you auto off. This is a feature that you're going to love. Okay, this is our 2016 Kia Rio. Very nice little car. If you're interested, go to citymotors.net. The auto stop feature is an awesome feature that's going to save you wear and tear on your engine as well as save you on fuel economy. It's very simple to use. As long as it's not turned off, what you're going to do is just drive the vehicle normally, just like you normally would. Just drive it normal. I'll show you the tach there. Let you see that we're going along here, and then as we come to the stop sign, you can see we're going to come to a stop, and as we stop, we're going to notice the car cuts off. You see the automatic off there, the automatic start there. You see the tach stopped running. I didn't touch the ignition. Now to get it going, I'm letting off of the brake. As soon as I let off the brake, starts back up, and we are rolling again. And again, you're saving wear and tear on your engine because you're not messing with that idle on your engine that's going to sit there, and your car doesn't need to be running there. There's no sense in having it running, so why not let it stop? So this is how your auto stop feature works. Awesome thing, this is our 2016 Kia Rio, but again, they're going to work about the same on any vehicle with auto stop. If you have any questions, call us at 540-433-7335. You can text that number 24/7, and you can also visit our website at citymotors.net. This was today's tech tutorial. Thanks for stopping by.